Today, we're looking at how good news creates engagement on social media. With all the time that people are spending online and on social media, one of the things we like to look at is how good news within our community is spread through social media. And there's no better way than doing this than on a platform like Facebook. Now, a council should be right at the heartbeat of their community and sharing anything that's going on within it. And Birmingham 2022 was a huge thing for the city. And there's always concerns about how big events like this work in terms of sustainability and wastage. So when they announced on Facebook that they were going to give away thousands of pieces of sports equipment used during the games, the council took to Facebook to share it, and seeing over 300 engagements, 170 shares, which is almost unheard of for a council social media account. And that's because A, it's great news for people in the community. B, it's great news from an economic and wastage point of view. And C, it really gave everyone something to engage with. So here you can see, wow, a wide range of sports equipment used during Birmingham 2022. And again, they've tagged in the event page as well, and will be gifted to local sports groups, over 16,000 sports items. And then they've given the link here, so it takes you directly through to the link where you can find out more. So it's really good news for the community, really good news for local groups. And as you can see, people got mega engaged with it. So all in all, it's a brilliant post. Now, one of the points I did want to make though, was that people had a lot of questions. So it's things like why schools wouldn't benefit from it. However, actually schools do benefit from it. When you actually click into the link, it does say that that it's going to lots of different non-profit organisations, including schools. So I guess if you are sharing a post like this, it might be worth actually doing a couple of bullet points so that people actually know straight away from reading it, rather than having to go in and actually click on the link and look at it. However, it is good having the link there anyway. I would also make sure that I'm replying back to as many of these comments as possible to keep up the engagement and make sure that you're having more of a two-way kind of conversation. Now, if I was these guys, I would want to be keeping the story going and ensuring that I'm supporting them as much as I could. So I would be looking at all the different schools, all of the different non-profit organisations within the area that was going to benefit from this. And I would create a group on Maybe. And the reason why I would do that is so that then I could see the power of all of the free equipment and see the power of all the donations, and make sure that I was sharing it on the council feed. So I would create a group. So you would basically put in all of the businesses here, and then you would so say we did so we'll call it arts or something like that. So you'd basically click on there, click on the groups, and then in the groups, you would see every single most recent post by that group. So say there was charities in there, say there was sports clubs, say there was schools, and then you could start engaging. So it might be that a school posts up, you know, that they've got one of the new bikes, or it might be some of the new equipment, the training equipment, and then you can start engaging, and then you can share that back on your feed as well. If you've got any questions at all, please click on the little blue button. We love to help.